Hey guys, so here's what you're going to do if you want to unpublish your website if you have accidentally pressed on this publish button right here. So what you're going to do first is there are two ways to actually do this. So the first one is by going to your website editor on Wix, and then from here, just hover over this publish button, and then you can see here unpublish site. Now click on that, and then it will automatically take you to the settings. And then from here, you can see this check mark and it says site is published. And then from here, all you have to do is to click on this unpublish button, and it is going to ask you to confirm your decision. Now, I'm not going to click this yet, just to show you where else you're going to find this section. So let's hit X first, and then let's go back to our Wix website dashboard. Now from here, you can see this left hand quick actions. You're going to click on this settings, and then from here, scroll down until you find website settings. Now here is where you're going to see it. This site is published and where you're going to access it. Now, what we're going to do is to click on unpublish, and then again, it's going to confirm your decision, and all you have to do is to unpublish it. If you want to publish your website once again, if you think that unpublishing your website was accidental or was a wrong decision, just go back to your Wix website editor again and then hit on publish. That's how you're going to unpublish your website in Wix.